Many people have been having a problem getting into the chat room and listening to MemoryLaneOldies.com at the same time. So this is the new way to do it. Now, if you have Memory Lane Oldies bookmarked on your browser, don't use the bookmark. Instead, go to the top and type in www.MemoryLaneOldies.com, just as shown there, and hit return. And once you hit return, you'll be presented with this screen. See on the right-hand side, you'll see Listen Now. Press Listen Now, and then you'll be presented with the player. At the very bottom, you'll see the player and the little play button. Hit the play button. Now listening to the live broadcast. Now, what you do next is you see Website at the very top. You'll see Status, History, Listen, Website. Click on Website. And then at the very top, you're going to see Chat Room. Tap on Chat Room. And then you're going to see a cartoon in the center of the screen. Tap on the cartoon. At that point, you're going to be asked to enter your name. Enter your name. And after you enter your name, you're going to be asked what color you would like your name to be in. From the drop-down box, you can select any color you want, black, green, orange, yellow, whatever. And that's the color your name will be written in. Then hit Enter Room, and you're now listening to the music and in the chat room at the same time. I hope this is clear, but if you have any problem, just follow along with this video, and I hope to see you tonight, and enjoy the show.